So what exactly are layers? Let me take this toolbar, click and drag from the double bars and float it here for a moment. This is the layer toolbar, and we are going to be using this from now on. This is the pull down for the layers. Currently there is only one layer. This is layer 0. It is the default layer for every single Autocad drawing, and it's a special layer. Typically it is not used for drawing. We did the previous exercise and we created it on this layer, but we did that for a couple of reasons. One, we had not introduced or had not talked about the concept of layers, and second of all, there is an exception to that rule about not drawing on this layer. It happens one time, and we'll talk about that when we discuss blocks and W blocks. To go to the Layer Properties Manager, select this icon on the far left-hand side. I'm going to pick that now. And that opens up the Layer Properties Manager. Layers are very similar to clear sheets of film. AutoCAD can place information on different layers, and it allows you to control the visibility and other features of layers. It's probably going to be helpful to create some layers right now so we can continue talking about this. Before doing that, what I like to do when I'm in the Layer Properties Manager is always show details. I'm going to click on this now. When I select show details, it indicates details down here, and it's very similar to what we see in the upper screen. Same information top and bottom, it's just displayed differently. Let me OK this for a moment. I'm going to place the toolbar back up here. I'm going to minimize the drawing. As you can see, the table and chairs drawing consists of a red table and green chairs. I did this on purpose so that we can place the table on one layer and place the chairs on another layer. Again, the dimensions are there for drawing purposes, and we will be discussing dimensions later on. Going back to the AutoCAD drawing, selecting Layer Properties Manager, I'd like to create a new layer. So I'm going to select New. By doing that, a default name appears. It's called Layer 1. Because it's highlighted, I can change that and call it Table. And simply click anywhere in this white space, and the new layer has been created. I'm going to create the other layer, selecting New again, and this time type in Chairs. So just like that, we have created the two layers necessary for this drawing file. I'm going to select OK one more time and just review. As I indicated, we'll make the table layer red, chairs green. Going back to the Layer Properties Manager, selecting Table. So far we were drawing on layer 0, and that color was white. I'm going to select this small swatch here, and that will take me into the Select Color dialog box. And our focus is going to be on the first 7 colors. This color is red. AutoCAD refers to it as color number 1. Next to it is yellow. AutoCAD refers to this as color 2. Color 3 is green. Color 4, cyan. Color 5, blue. Color 6, magenta. Color 7, white. And then color 8, gray. So we're going to select red, tells us color is red, and it shows us the example. I'm going to select OK. For chairs, I can do the same thing, but I did open the details portion of this dialog box. So I'm going to highlight chairs, and from the color pull down menu, I'm going to select green. As you can see, the names appear here. Selecting green and selecting OK.